In asteroid collision, positive asteroids move right and negative asteroids move left. But not every opposite sign pair collides. Collision is possible only when the previous survivor is positive and the current asteroid is negative. The stack remembers those previous survivors. Positive values move to the right. Negative values move to the left. When two asteroids collide, the one with smaller absolute value explodes. If sizes are equal, both explode. Return the asteroids that survive. The collision condition is the key. The stack top must be positive and the current asteroid must be negative. The top is moving right, current is moving left, so they move toward each other. If top is negative and current is positive, they are moving away from each other, so no collision happens. If the stack top is smaller, it explodes. Pop it, and the current asteroid may collide with the previous survivor. If the top is bigger, current explodes. If sizes are equal, both explode. That is why an alive flag for the current asteroid is useful. The loop keeps colliding the current asteroid while it is alive, current is negative, and the stack top is positive. If the top is smaller, pop it and continue. If sizes are equal, pop the top and mark current as dead. If the top is bigger, current is dead. When the loop ends, push current only if it is still alive. Example, 5, 10, minus 5. Push 5. Push 10. Minus 5 moves left, and top 10 moves right, so collision is possible. 10 is bigger than 5, so minus 5 explodes. Survivors are 5 and 10. We use a vector as a stack. The current asteroid starts alive. While collision is possible, compare sizes. If stack top is smaller, pop it. If sizes are equal, pop the top and current dies. If top is bigger, current dies. If current survives, push it into the stack. The common trap is assuming opposite signs always collide. They do not. Collision is possible only when the stack top is positive and current is negative. Do not miss the equal size case, where both explode. And if the top was smaller, continue the loop because current may collide with another survivor. Time is O, N, because each asteroid is pushed once and popped at most once. Space is O, N, for the survivor stack. Mental model, stack contains survivors so far, and current collides with them until its fate is decided.